My name is Chelsea Ellis with Jim Reynolds Asphalt, and we use EZ Street Patch for our residential and commercial potholes. My EZ Street story is I've used a lot of different products. One year we had a lot of issues with a patch that we were using. So then when we started using EZ Street, the first time we used it and seeing how quickly it hardened up and how it looked like hot asphalt, we were able to use it for a really big space. With cold patch, normally you can only use it for a small space or it won't work well in that space. So seeing that we could use it for a large space and it looked just like hot asphalt, we all were surprised and we all were so happy because we realized, okay, our job's about to get really easy now. We're using EZ Street, so since then it's been amazing. We buy EZ Street from Flynn Brothers. We do it two ways, either in bulk, and then we use that if we're doing a big project, as well as we buy it in bags, and that's for more of our residential small work that we do.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Working with Tyler has been a pleasure, and Flynn Brothers has been an easy process when it came to customer service because they always have product on stock, so we can either call him directly or just come straight to the plant and pick up the patch. So that makes it easy because then we can pick up the patch and then go get the job taken care of right away. When explaining this product to customers, one thing I realized, customers do business with someone they like and they trust. And they expect us to have great quality products, something better than they can go get at a store. Because of that, it makes it really kind of easier for me to sell a product like EZ Street because I can tell them you're getting something better than what you would get if you're doing it yourself. EZ Street has definitely made our crews work better and made our product more efficient. It's really great quality, easier than using hot asphalt. So because of that, they like it because they know they can just throw it on the back of a truck or in a hot box and just scoop it out and place it into a pothole once it's clean. So it makes the process a lot easier to do. EZ Street has been amazing because we're able to use it even when water's down, because potholes, if it rains one day, the puddle's gonna stay there for a little while. So a lot of times using other products, we would have to wait for days or even weeks for that water to dry. But with EZ Street, we don't have to wait. We can still work through any weather conditions. EZ Street definitely works. It's amazing.